In today's video, I'll be showing a series of the profit I'm making on daily basis from crypto. As you can see that currently my available balance is 7.44 USDT, and as I have taken a cross leverage of 6x, so you can see that I have 0.30 in USDT in my wallet available. So altogether it's 7.50 USDT that I am playing with. And if you can see my date, it is 7th March, Monday, 5:50. So from today on, I'll be showing you that how I am making some profit from a very meager amount of $7 something, and I'll be showing you by the end of the month that how much I have made. So on daily basis, I'll be showing you my trades. Currently I have taken a trade in Dodo USDT. I have taken the entry price at 0.390 and I have currently achieved a 6% profit. So I'll be closing it on 0.400, which is available in my open orders. So see you on 8th March, and I'll be showing you some more trades that I have taken, and from daily basis I'll be inspiring you that how you can earn a very good amount in crypto by using a very small fund and getting a very huge profit by the end of the month.